technology is used in several products that we offer, two of which are really what are called software development kits, tools for developers to use in their own applications. The first is called LiveDriver, and what it does is allows an end user to basically use their webcam as a way to, as the name of the product implies, drive in real time animation onto 3D characters. Think of it like, Microsoft Kinect or Sony Move or the Wii, but instead of for the sort of large body movements, the real important emotional content, your face, your expressions. Does it in real time, requires no special hardware, really easy to use. So for example, we now run on mobile devices, and we use any standard webcam of really almost any resolution. So we're very agnostic to the hardware, and I think that's really important to get mass adoption going forward. At E3, we announced a partnership with Sony Online Entertainment, one of the largest MMO publishers in the world, and a few weeks ago they launched a new version of EverQuest 2 with our technology in it, in a sort of in a feature that they call SO Emote. And so you, as the player, role-playing is an important thing, but it's really been limited by text chat, for example. How much can you really express? And so now with our technology, players can really drive their characters visually and expressively in real time. And so that's out there now, and it's getting a tremendous response. They're, maybe they're really upset, or maybe they're role-playing upset. Okay. Imagine, as online casino-type gaming comes in, is that face a poker face, or is it a real face? Those things are going to happen. The second technology product we have, which is called Portable U. And so what that allows users to do is just from a single image on a webcam or an image previously stored, generate in less than a minute, about 30 to 45 seconds, a fully rigged 3D head that looks like yourself, or looks like whatever the source photo is. It doesn't have to just be you. And by rigged, I really mean ready to be animated, ready to be customized. There's no further work that has to be done by a professional or by a user to start making use of their persona in an application. It normally takes, trained professionals, depending on the level of quality that they want, a week to 2 weeks of dedicated effort. Now, of course, an end user can do it in less than a minute. That's kind of the way we think about it, too. It's pretty amazing. It's a whole new degree of self-expression and immersiveness and personalization that just hasn't existed before. For the past, 5, 6, 7 years, we've seen a general trend for user-created content to get, instant distribution and popularity on the web. But user-created content has really meant, sort of amateur video and people writing blogs, or posting, photographs. So what's the sort of final frontier, right? It is things like rich animated 3D content. And so what we're really doing is letting people, giving people instant access to those tools with really no special hardware and no professional skill needed to deal with the mechanics of it. And so what we're trying to do is reduce the barrier between a user's ideas and the expression of those ideas.